Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva Storyboard. Start by opening Canva and navigating to the Storyboard section. You'll find a wide selection of templates, offering diverse layouts and styles. Pick one that aligns with your creative vision, whether it's for a video, presentation, or comic. This initial step sets the foundation for your visual narrative, making the design process smooth and intuitive. Once your template is chosen, it's time to personalize it. You can effortlessly drag and drop elements, resize frames, and even duplicate entire scenes. Incorporate your own media, like photos or short video clips, to bring your story to life. Experiment with different fonts and color palettes to ensure your storyboard reflects your unique style and message. Canva offers a vast library of design elements, from illustrations to stickers, to enhance your storyboard. Clearly label each frame with concise text, outlining actions, dialogue, or scene descriptions. Consider adding subtle animations or transitions between frames to create a more dynamic and engaging visual flow, guiding your audience through your narrative seamlessly. After perfecting your storyboard, sharing is simple. You can invite team members to collaborate in real time, making feedback and revisions efficient. Export your final storyboard in several formats, such as a high-resolution PDF for printing or an MP4 video for presentations. You can also present it directly from Canva, ensuring your story reaches your audience effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.